Your AC contactor is an important electrical component. It sends power to the compressor and fan motor when cooling is needed. A properly working contactor helps support dependable cooling. A worn contactor can cause serious issues with your AC. You might notice AC not turning on or outdoor unit not running. Regular maintenance helps identify a weak or damaged contactor. A reliable contactor keeps the power flowing and your AC cooling. Ensure your AC system is running efficiently. A reliable contactor keeps your home comfortable. Stay cool with a well-functioning AC contactor. Contact us for professional maintenance services. Let us keep your AC running at its best.